Hi guys, happy weekend. I hope you guys are having a great weekend so far. I'm just gonna do a little crafting today. I was playing with Teresa's Cozy Seasons sticker book, volume 1, and I absolutely love this sticker book. The stickers in here are matte, so they look really pretty on cards, and I created this one and I love how it turned out. So I had first made this one and I cut out 2 sheets. I cut out 1 sheet of the Gingy Time paper pad. That one's back in stock. Update on the Gingy Time kits. I've shipped all of those kits out. I think the last ones went out on Wednesday, so those are on the way if you haven't got them yet. So I hope you guys have fun creating with that kit. It is just so much fun to create with. This paper is in the paper pad, and I cut it out with a Lawn Fawn like strip die, and then I cut out this glitter paper and I did a space in between this one, and then I had these left over and it fit perfectly for this card. And the little block here and the little flag and the dots, that comes from the sticker book. So if you don't do any planning or journaling, you can use those blocks on your cards. So I thought that was a really neat idea. I saw Megan do it from the design team, and I absolutely love that idea. So we've got like washi tape, beautiful florals. This is the gingerbread theme. There's a peppermint theme one. And then you got a lot of mirrored images in here, so you could create Dutch store spreads or like a spinner card. It's such a great sticker book. Right now we're doing our VIP early access Black Friday sale for our email subscribers. If you want the code, I'll have the link in the description box for you. You can sign up there and you'll instantly get the code. So after you sign up, you'll get a little thank you page. The code is on the thank you page. Copy and paste that before you X out of it, so you can use that code. The sale's only good for 48 hours. It's going to end on Sunday at 11:59 p.m. Central Time. There are some exclusions for the code. It's not valid on some of the new releases like the sticker book, Teresa's One and Done die, Lynn's new Ultimate Sentiments die and stamp set, and the Western Cows or the Highland Cows ephemera, and the A2 size Rustic Farm paper pad. But everything else you can use it on. I was gonna make something today with the Christmas Critters paper pad and ephemera. These 2 items are in the shop. So I wanted to create some cute little like Christmas cards or tags with that. We have a lot of great like coffee paper pads that are in the shop that you can get right now for 25% off if you sign up for that VIP early access. And then we will be doing our regular Black Friday sale starting on Black Friday, and it'll run through the weekend, and then we'll have something special for Cyber Monday. You can get Lynn's snow globe shaker die with the coupon code. So if you haven't picked this up, now is the perfect time to grab this snow globe before it sells out. We've got great stamps in the shop. This pumpkin spice season stamp is really cute. This is one that I illustrated, so I really love this one. It has these cute little pumpkins, and you can add these cute little faces too. I was thinking about making a really cute fall card with this too. So if I have time, I might just upload a separate video for this one. But we have a great clearance section, so the code is good with any sale prices in the shop. You can sort the shop by sale, and then we also have a clearance section, and most of the clearance items are 50% and more. So with that coupon, you can get 75% and up. So great deals to check out today. So great deals going on. So this is a really cute paper pad. It's got these cute critters. It's got like a Happy Mail theme, little envelopes and pens. super adorable. Little mountainscape. Very colorful. So super cute. So I was thinking of making a little tag and putting it on the front of my card. So I'm going to use a Sunny Studio tag. It's called Mini Matte and tag number 1. So for my sentiment, I'm going to use these Ultimate Sentiment printables provided by LV Handcrafted. If you become a channel member of her channel, LV Handcrafted, here on YouTube, or our channel, Not Too Shabby, this will be provided to you as a freebie. I have it linked on my community post where you could download it. You'll see it only if you're a channel member. You can print that out and then you can use it with Lynn's Ultimate Sentiment die. And this piece here, you just line it up. You'll cut this out with your die cutting machine. So this is very, very cool. I love that you get the black and white and then you get the white and black. Now, if you're looking for the white and black birthday, that is in the shop as a stamp set. One side is more like traditional. We've got celebrating you today. Here's to the next chapter. Hope you have a special day. May all your dreams come true. There's the large happy birthday. You can pair these together. And then this one's a more of a snarky type. Calories don't count today. Grow old, but never grow up. Older? Question mark. Yes. Wiser? Question mark. Not so much. Your vintage, let's label you by year. So just like a fun set. And I love that you can cut these all out with one pass and have a bunch of sentiment strips ready to go. I keep mine in a little bowl, and whenever I need a sentiment, I just grab for it. So I'm going to cut this out today, and we're going to use that on our card. So I just added a little bit of repositionable tape here. And then all of my little sentiments will just pop out so easily. And we have a bunch of sentiments to use and ready to go. I think this is great for mass producing some cards. I love it. So thank you, Lynn, for providing the free printable for our channel members. That is just so sweet of you and awesome. To join channel memberships, you'll see the little join button right beside the subscribe button. If you don't see that join button, there's a link in the description box. So with this die, you get some extra little dies that have decorative stitching and design. So you can layer up those little sentiments and make them more festive. So I have my little tag cut out. We have our background piece. Let's go ahead and I'm going to use the tape runner today from Tape Runner. And I'm just going to add some glue. We're going to leave a little border. I cut out a little row of the cute little critters. I wanted them to show, so I'm going to put that on the bottom. And then this little tag has a little topper. So we'll just line that up, add our little piece here at the bottom. And we're going to attach the tag so it can be used. So the recipient can use it as a little gift tag or an ornament. So it doesn't go to waste. We'll just add a little piece of like one little pop dot, something easy where they can just peel it off. I want to pop up our little bear. We're going to pick out one of these little sentiments here too. So I'm going to use a peel off strip to add a little sparkle here. I can't find my stickles, guys. Update on the moving situation. So the house that we wanted to purchase, the inspection was not good, so we basically canceled the whole thing. We decided not to move because the whole reason we wanted to move was for that house. And since we're not buying that house, we are just going to stay in our current house. But we had packed everything into a pod, thinking we were going to move. And so we haven't unpacked everything. So a lot of stuff is still in totes, and it's going to take a while to put everything away. I need to downsize, so I'm going to have to go through a lot of stuff and figure out what I want to get rid of. So I've just been really busy, guys, lately, with the moving thing going on, getting the house ready for that, and then unmoving. It's just been a lot, guys, and very stressful, of course. So I hope I can get back into a rhythm, but I really wanted to add some stickles to his little hat there. We're going to add a little bit of twine to the top of our little tag. So I kind of want to double this up to make it more thicker. I added a little foam tape to the back. And his little arms look like he's holding something, so I thought it was perfect to put the little sentiment right there. And then the person can just peel this off and use the tag. And I'm just going to put it like on an angle. And then I'm going to look for some enamel dots. Let's see if I can find my enamel dots. I'm going to add some green enamel dots right here. And I'm going to add a few on our tag. Okay, so there is today's card. Turned out super cute, and it could be a little gift. So someone just peel that off. You could write that on the inside. Let them know to repurpose the tag. So thanks for hanging out, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to grab that coupon code. The link is in the description box. Thanks so much, guys, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.